Is your 2021-2023 Hyundai Santa Fe key fob not working? The battery is likely dead. Replacing it yourself is easy and saves money. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or the key blade from your fob, and a new CR2032 battery, available for under $5 at most electronics stores or online. Start by locating the small seam on the side or back of your fob. For 2023 models, it might be on the back. Gently insert the screwdriver into the seam and twist to pop the case open. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Once open, carefully remove the old CR232 battery. Note the orientation. The positive plus side usually faces up. Install the new battery in the same way, ensuring it's securely seated. Finally, snap the fob back together firmly. Test the buttons to ensure it's working. If not, double-check the battery orientation or consider a trip to the dealer. Always use a reputable brand like Panasonic or Duracell to avoid counterfeit batteries. Batteries typically last 1 to 2 years but can drain faster in cold weather or with frequent remote starts. If your fob still doesn't work after replacement, there may be a deeper issue requiring professional help. Be aware that Hyundai dealers often charge $50 to $100 for this simple service, so DIY is the way to go. Be gentle when opening the fob to avoid breaking internal parts. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly. Recycle it at an electronics store. The future of key fobs is moving towards battery-free and smartphone integration, but for now, CR2032 batteries are a common maintenance item for your Santa Fe.